But another potential ETF filing coming into the picture, sending Bitcoin close to that one-year high, is asset manager Fidelity. That spot Bitcoin ETF, according to the block, that they may file for. We have that right after that, a BlackRock filing as well. We are joined now by Bloomberg's Vildana Hajric for more. Vildana, it was so nice to write that story with you about BlackRock. What does it mean now for Fidelity to also be entering the scene? We haven't seen one from every major ETF company, but this certainly seems like the direction of travel is more institutional.
There's definitely been a wave of filings following BlackRock's, I think we've been calling it shock filing or shock application, which was really important for crypto fans and for the crypto industry in general, given the stature that BlackRock holds on Wall Street and elsewhere, where maybe you had some analysts potentially saying that BlackRock might know something that others might not know or be aware of, where they might be more certain that they could get approval from regulators, which obviously we've not seen in the past.
And we're not seeing that approval yet, but we are seeing other assets tied to futures start to come to market. Just one starting to trade today that you've written about. The trading has been a bit volatile. What is the reception for futures ETFs when people are still so excited about the even potential for a spot?
Yeah, so we have a 2x Bitcoin futures ETF that started trading just today, which I think also was another shock development for a lot of crypto fans, because regulators have been so hesitant in the past to greenlight any such a thing. We have to remember a spot Bitcoin product does not yet exist. It's not by no means certain that regulators will actually greenlight one or that they will approve one, even if it's coming from BlackRock or whoever else. The Fidelity filing hasn't hit yet. If one does come around, I know we have that report from the block, but it is sort of exciting for the space and for crypto fans and for crypto investors to actually be seeing these big Wall Street firms and other ETF issuers showing interest, stepping in, putting out these applications, hence the rally in prices.
How much does it matter to investors, to U.S. investors, that we don't have a spot ETF here? Because there is one in Canada, right?
It's been there for years.
It's been there for years. Do U.S. investors, do you think some of them have restrictions that don't allow them to make those purchases? Does the SEC also care that the Canadians have allowed it?
I think a lot of that had been thought of as sort of testing grounds to see just how well things would actually work, because we know regulators in the U.S. have cited like market manipulation, scams, that type of thing, and I think, you know, even with the ProShares Futures Fund, which launched in 2021, so it's been almost 2 years now that it's been around, there had been worries about roll costs and how well it would track the price of Bitcoin, etc. It's actually been tracking the price of Bitcoin really, really well. So a lot of that maybe potentially by regulators might have been seen as testing grounds.